United Nations. The United Nations is a very important organization. It was started after World War II to help keep peace in the world. Nearly every country on Earth is a member of the UN. Some countries want to be, but can't because other countries say they aren't countries. This includes places like Taiwan and Palestine. I think the UN works pretty well. There are lots of arguments between countries, but that's normal. The biggest arguments seem to be between America, China and Russia. They never seem to agree. There are so many parts to the UN. There's the Security Council and the General Assembly. These are the two most important parts, but then there are the umbrella agencies like UNICEF and UNESCO.